you gonna turn around? Where's the tummy? There's Tommy. Tommy in his truck.
Time for dinner.
Is that Tommy sleeping? Tommy, wake up.
Cockle-doodle-doo. I can't figure out a way so it can go forwards and then it can go like forwards and then you can see the color side.
Maybe
Maybe.
you need to do another side. Do a
Maybe.
second one.
Or you could do it in reverse. Have them reverse.
Like that.
Yeah, some people reverse their cars. We back out of our driveway, don't we?
Yeah, but then it has to be going that way and you want to see the colored side
Well, I think you're going to have to do a second picture.
of a pickup truck.
Uh-huh. And then paste it on the other side. So it's a two-sided puppet.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That means we have to get out
Another
another one and then